So the correct answer for this is 7. Let's see how. Now we know that for this graph we have 4 vertices and the edge weights are to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we know that for a spanning tree with n vertices, the number of edges will be n minus 1. So in this spanning tree with 4 vertices, the maximum number of edges that it can have is 3. Now we know that out of all the weight edges that are given to us, the edge weights 1 and 2 are to be included. They are must to be included because 2 edges can't form a cycle, right? So irrespective of how the graph is structured, we know that edge weights 1 and 2 will always be included because including these 2 edges will not form a cycle and they are of course of minimum weight. So we have 1 plus 2 edge weight included in our MST. Now we have a choice remaining out of the 4 edges that are given to us. Now the 4 edge weights can be in any order. Let's say if I draw a spanning tree like this, let's say 1, 2, 3, let this be 4, let this be 5, let this be 6. This can be one of the possibility of my spanning tree. This is another possibility. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say I have another possibility like this with edge weights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here, if after one edge is selected and this 2 edges selected, let's say I select the 3rd edge as this one, right? So here the minimum weight is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equivalent to 6. Here let's say if I select 1 is selected, then 2 is selected, then of course I can select 3 as well because it is not forming a cycle. Here also the maximum weight is 6. Now here if I select 1 plus 2, these 2 edges are of course selected. Now I cannot select 3 over here because including it is forming a cycle. So the remaining option that I have is, the next option, feasible option that I have is including edge weight 4. So I select this. Now here the weight is contributing as 7. Now we can see that there will always be a consideration between 2 edge weights 3 and 4. If including 3 is forming a cycle, then we will not include 3 and include 4. But if including 3 is not forming a cycle, then of course we can include 3. But the question is that we have to choose the weight that maximizes my minimum weight. And that maximization will only be done if I include edge weight 4.